With EcoSafe we sell different dry toilets and composting toilets. This is the very first model, which is urine separating, called Cabin Weekend. Here you see why urine separation for urine here and pee and poo and paper there. Thanks to an inbuilt ventilation system, it sucks the air through the toilet and that dries the content and takes away all the air. That's very nice. And all the smell, of course. The urine is separated, and with a flexible hose, which is in the package, you can connect it to the sink of the fountain. In that way, you've got everything away. The ventilation is in the back. You can make a hole through the wall and make the ventilation exhaust outside, or you can connect it to the inside exhaust. The model is available with all parts which are needed for the ventilation and for the flexible hose. It's in white or in granite. To you the choice. Find it on ecosafe.com.